In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit questions in Microsoft Forms. By the end, you'll know how to update your question text, rearrange items, add new questions, adjust advanced options like branching, and format your text so your form is clear and easy to complete. First, head to Microsoft Forms. Open the Forms design page in your browser and sign in if prompted. You'll land on your Forms dashboard where you can see anything you've created or that's been shared with you. Next, select the form you want to modify. Click it to open the editing canvas. This is your main workspace where every change you make is reflected instantly in the design view. To edit content, click directly on the question text or any answer option you want to change. The field becomes editable right away, so you can type to update wording, fix typos, or clarify instructions. If it's a choice question, you can add or remove options as needed. Keep your language concise and specific, and make sure each question asks only one thing to avoid confusion. To modify a question structure, click the question to reveal its controls. In the top right of the question box, you'll see icons that let you copy, delete, or rearrange it. Use copy when you want a similar question without rebuilding it from scratch, delete to remove anything you no longer need, and move it up or down so your form flows in a logical order. A clear progression helps respondents stay focused and reduces drop-off. If you need something new, click the plus add new button to insert another question. Choose the type that best fits what you're asking, such as multiple choice for a single selection, text for open-ended answers, or rating when you want a quick scale. Matching the type to your goal not only makes data easier to analyze, it also guides respondents to answer in the way you expect. For deeper control, open more settings for question using the three dots on the question. Here you can enable features like branching, which sends people to different follow-up questions based on their answers, or shuffle options to randomize choices and reduce bias. Use these features thoughtfully so your form remains predictable and easy to navigate. Finally, format text to improve readability. Highlight any part of a question or title to apply bold, italic, underline, or change colors. Emphasize keywords, define terms, or call out important instructions. Keep formatting consistent and avoid overusing colors so your form looks professional and accessible. That's it. With these tools, you can refine your Microsoft form quickly, keep your questions clear, and create a smoother experience for every respondent.